Okay, so right, so the question is we want to find the inverse of a function like this. Right, so we'll go through our same steps as before. So what do I do first?
Well, you got to set it to equal to y.
Good, so I'm going to make that a y. Okay, now what?
Then you set it to x equals 2y plus 5 divided by 4.
Good, we swap the x and the y. And now what?
And then do I get rid of the 4 first, right? Or do I get rid of
exactly, yeah. And so if you want, now we're just solving for y now, right? Isolating y. Okay, remember when we isolate or solve, we just use inverse operations, right? But remember that here's the part that people sometimes forget. If I have a big fraction like that, there are implied parentheses around the numerator and the denominator. So I don't actually get up to the last section of this until I get up to p.
Okay.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So step one, outside of parentheses, there's no addition or subtraction to do. Okay, so we can cross that one off. Outside of parentheses, there is some multiplication or division. I need to multiply each side by 4 to undo dividing by 4, right?
Right.
So multiply each side by 4, which cancels out 4.
So then you get 4x.
Say it again.
So you get 4x then.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
And then I have 4x equals 2y plus 5. So there's no exponents. Now, finally, I get up to the parentheses. And now, what are the last two steps to get y by itself?
Subtract 5 and divide by 2.
There you go, right? So I'd end up with 4x minus 5 equals 2y, divide each side by 2, and I got it.
Okay, because I was subtracting 5 first every time.
Oh, yeah. That's why. Okay. Yeah, and so once again, remember that you've got parentheses around the entire numerator.
Okay.
Yeah. Another way to think about that is you're really just cross-multiplying, right? When we start off with our original equation here, 4x equals 2y plus 5 over 4. No, oops. Just x equals, there we go, right? We have that, correct?
Correct.
That's the same thing as x over 1. But we can just cross multiply too, same thing, right?
Right.
Yeah. But I think it's better to think about it in terms of the first way we talked about it, inverse operations.
Yeah, it makes more sense.
Okay.
Okay, then.
Okay. Good enough. All righty.
Thank you.
You betcha.